Distinguished guests at the head table, my fellow graduates, diplomates, parents, friends, ladies and gentlemen, it is an honor to stand here in front of all of you to deliver the graduate speech on behalf of all my fellow graduates. Having completed my local advanced level studies in the science stream, I thought starting a business and management degree would be difficult. But, to my delightful surprise, that initial transition was made easy with the support of the entire team at BMS, the advice and guidance of the lecturers, and the help and support given to me by all my fellow classmates, my friends. After my second year, it was through BMS that I attained my first internship with a Swedish manufacturing company in Sri Lanka. This was an ideal opportunity for me to put all my learning into practice. It was a very rewarding and successful experience, so much so that the company requested me to stay on and work with them. But I wanted to take up a different challenge, and so I joined the management division of a leading medical practice. I had the opportunity to work with local and international doctors and to introduce new business avenues to the medical practice. And it was stressful, intense, and pressurizing. But believe me, I enjoyed it. I was able to identify my true potential and learned that there is no substitute for hard work. On behalf of my fellow graduates, I want to answer the question, what have I learned during the course of this degree? I believe we have learned that there is so much untapped potential within a person that hard work and a desire to improve is all it takes for a person to become an accomplished individual. I have seen and witnessed people grow from an average display of intellect to being first-class honor students, even ending up in the Dean's List. I learned that BMS and Northumbria University was the best decision I made for my higher education, not just because of the quality education that was provided, but also because of the personalized attention we received. The induction by Dr. Guy Brown, Claire Hoy, and Paul Leonard gave us the opportunity to personally meet the university academics and to learn from them. It was a great learning experience, and we, the graduates, thank the Northumbria University academics for all their continuous support with BMS to make learning happen. Finally, I'd like to thank my mother for staying up late several nights in a row, providing me endless cups of coffee and taking care of me when I was overwhelmed with work and assignments. To my father for all his concerns about my unhealthy sleeping schedules and his gleeful reactions every time I came home with good news about my studies. And to my baby sister for taking over the role of being the big sister during those last few months of my degree. At last, my fellow graduates and diplomates, let us celebrate our success and thank BMS for all their support and guidance that led to this momentous occasion. Thank you.